how to enable or disable turn on voice access when you get a phone call on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on interaction and dexterity. Then tap on voice access. Now go down, then tap on settings. Next, we scroll down, and in here, tap on activate for incoming calls. So this will allow you to turn on voice access when you get a phone call. So switch on this feature if you like to activate voice access for incoming calls. Otherwise, you can switch it off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.